Yes, so my correct people, I don come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. The koko be say Peter Obi now of the Labour Party, he don dey promise say he go dig more 10 boreholes give the northerners. This one na from him church mind, no be say person dey force am to do. And meanwhile, he don dey yarn say the katakata wey dey happen for inside the Labour Party say na choice, say e no reach, e no fit compare am to the ones wey dey happen for inside the All Progressive Congress wey be APC and for inside the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP. You know say the Labour Party currently they go through some kind challenges like that. They dey face some kind kwata like this. But the koko wey I bring come for you be say the 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate and the former governor of Anambra State wey be Mr. Peter Obi, he no come outside the yarn o. Say the katakata, the challenges wey the Labour Party dey go through say they go overcome am and they go come out stronger. According to him he said the crisis now wey dey happen for inside the Labour Party say na choice one compared to the katakata wey dey happen for inside the ruling All Progressive Congress and the Gbese wey dey happen for inside the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP. No be small koko my correct person. All of us know very well say Labour Party now their own crisis be say attempts dey ground by the Nigerian Labour Congress to remove their national chairman wey be Julius Abure and to come take over the party. And another ogbonge leader now wey dey fight against Julius Abure wey dey drag power with am na Mr. Lamidi. So as e don be like this now my correct people, Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party, he don come outside come dey talk to tori people. He come dey yarn say you see the Labour Party say all these katakata wey dey go on for inside the party now, say the party go overcome all of them and they go come outside stronger because say all the katakata wey dey battle with now e no even reach half. E no even baff compared to the one wey dey happen for inside the APC and the PDP, because the katakata now wey dey happen for inside the All Progressive Congress and the People's Democratic Party that one dey worse than the katakata wey dey happen for inside the Labour Party. But make we no get am wrong o, say all this palava na something wey be say they go solve in time. Say this one wey they just dey deal with now na system, and every system now get their own flaws, every system now get their own error, but they fit still manage am. All everything now go just take time. Understand? I'm gonna assure everybody say make dem no just worry, make dem just do the calm. Say any katakata wey dey happen for all these parties dem say na just matter of time. Say everything now go just normalize finish. But if they come dey complain say e dey very sad, say it's in the breaking heart where we say the things wey country people dey concerned about, the things wey these politicians now dey concerned about now only about party. They no dey concerned about the important things wey they suppose to dey concerned about, wey be say na the future of the country people. He say for now many politicians they just focus on the poor people for inside the country Nigeria, and that na where he like to dey focus on. The next election now e too fast, make everybody now just comot mind for inside the 2027 general elections, because nobody know who go contest for the presidency and nobody know who go emerge, who go come out as winner for inside the 2027 general elections. But for now Peter Obi say he dey more interested to dey deal with issues now wey dey affect ordinary Nigerians. Issues now wey countrymen dey go through, wey dey suffer well. Now he wan focus on. Say no be even 2027 general election wey be say we no even dey sure of how thing go take play o. Normally for inside our country many people dey wey no like Peter Obi at all, because few days ago the kind hit wey this man receive, the kind yabbing wey this man receive e plenty no be choice. People go inside social media start to dey insult this man wetin no fresh, then talk about this man wetin no good, because of say him come go yarn about the things wey federal government dey like to do. He said the federal government now their timing for things no make sense, and where their mind dey wetin federal government dey prioritize no be wetin they suppose to dey prioritize. Like that Lagos to Calabar coastal highway project now wey the federal government dey do, Peter Obi say that project wey they dey do say e no make sense at all. Now because of this talk now we come make country people they come dey insult the man, they come dey talk bad things, they come dey yarn say in the high president seat, say nothing good wey don talk about this current administration, and so you go just dey do yeah, and so you go just dey do ja, all this kind of stuff dem. Peter Obi now come outside come talk say no because say he dey obsessed o, no because say he wan replace our current president wey Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It's just that when he see things wey no dey right, he go talk am, make everybody now just do the calms. Now he get a mouth, we now we get our mouth too. You understand? Now the Labour Party presidential candidate come dey advise the government say make dem concentrate to dey fix bad road across we country Nigeria, instead of to come go dey construct white elephant project like the major coastal road there. You understand? Now onto the challenges wey the Labour Party dey face. Peter Obi na come outside the yarn say currently say ogbonge torchlighting dey happen for inside the Labour Party account, because say him be don drop demand for inside March 14th say make the independent audit firm make dem come torchlight the accounts of the party after the former national treasurer of the party wey be Oluchi Opara come challenge the national chairman wey be Julius Abure say make him drop accounts, make him give accounts of the alleged 3.5 billion naira wey the party raise as e take sell nomination forms dem and the fundraising activities wey happen before the 2023 general elections. And when dem come ask about the updates on the planned audit, Obi come dey yarn say yes o, say dem dey do the audit currently as im dey yarn, but e no go fit come dey give tori pipo update on a daily on how the auditors now take dey report. But when the auditors dem finish their work, say im go tell the world on how the thing take play, im go give the world the results. But if the to public now, if tori pipo want make dem dey get updates on a daily from the auditors, say make dem go meet the auditors direct, make dem no come worry the Labour Party at all, because everybody know very well say when it comes to money matter, when it comes to financial issue, e dey take time to finish. So now they can only talk about am when they don finish. All they guys do now na to just do the calms and wait make the people dem do their job finish. Meanwhile, the Labour Party presidential candidate for inside the 2023 general elections wey be Mr. Peter Obi, he come dey yarn dey give country people say im go repair those 2 water boreholes now wey get fault out of the 10 wey im donate give some northern communities. Im promise now dey come 2 weeks after im come under ogbonge heat after dem don show am pictures of the boreholes wey im donate give the northern people, say e get fault, this and that happen, and then insult this man well because of that thing. People wey insult this man na people like the presidential aide wey be Bashir Ahmed, popular actress wey be Toto Dike, and the former spokesperson for Atiku Abubakar of the presidential campaign wey be Daniel Bwala. Im come dey yab the Labour Party candidates based on the poor quality of the project, say e dey see wahala. But the person now wey come defend Peter Obi na the Labour Party governorship candidate for inside Lagos. Na him come outside the yard dey give country people say any insult wey dey fire dey give this man, say make dem stop am because e no make sense at all. Say this man now, that borehole wey him do for the northern people, him do am out of human sympathy. Say nobody send am, na from him pocket money na him do am. Him just wan show love to the northerners dem. No be like say dem give am money to come go do something, him come go do bad one. Say the people now no get right to come dey insult am for that thing wey him do. If the borehole get fault, e don get fault. Na so the thing be. Nobody dey know where him, no be even say na him do am o, him pay somebody to go fix the thing. So if the person now wey him pay to go fix am no come fix am well, why they no blame the person wey fix am, instead they come dey blame Peter Obi wey pay somebody? You understand? And if we check am, go see am say na true, no be something wey say we come dey blame Peter Obi for. But anyway, Peter Obi now don come outside come dey yarn say him dey very much aware say something like this don sup, the thing pain am well, but him go repair those 2 wey get fault, and him go make sure say him do 10 more, and that one na promise. No be small koko my correct people. Peter Obi na come round up in talk o, him come dey yarn dey give correct people, him come dey yarn dey give the confirmed country people say him dey beg dem say make dem help am for inside this journey to tackle education and water challenges wey dey for inside we country Nigeria. Dey see matter, him dey still dey beg country people wey dey insult am say make dem help am join body tackle the educational crisis and the poor water supply wey dey get for inside we country. Anybody now wey dey go against this man na somebody wey be say bad dey their mind, because person wey dey reason good no fit see this kind good things wey this man dey talk dey call am bad. Somebody now don come outside to come do good things from the bottom of him heart. Somebody wey never even do shishi go come dey discriminate, come dey yab the man based on say 1 or 2 things wey him do get fault. All this kind of stuff dem, e no too make sense. But my correct person, anyhow the koko be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, how they like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the update and you go get am sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go get update on wetin dey play for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you my correct person, no go anywhere.